Let me ask you something. When did you last post on social media for your business? If it keeps sliding down your to-do list, it's not because you're lazy. It's because the way most small business owners approach it is painfully slow. Writing one post at a time, staring at blank screens, wondering if anyone will see it. There's a faster way: planning, writing, and scheduling an entire week of posts in about 1 hour using AI. No marketing background needed. Here's where most people go wrong. They jump into ChatGPT and write posts one by one, ending up with 7 generic posts that all sound the same. Instead, spend 5 minutes answering 3 questions. First, which platforms are you posting on? Pick 1 or 2. Instagram and Facebook cover most local businesses. Second, what's your post mix? Try 2 educational or entertaining posts, 2 showing your product in action, 1 building trust, customer review, or behind the scenes, 1 promotional, and 1 asking a question. That's your week. Third, is there anything timely, a holiday, local event, or sale? Write it down. Now open ChatGPT. Free version works fine. Don't prompt 1 post at a time. Write 1 detailed prompt covering the entire week. Tell it your business name, what you do, your location, and desired tone. Paste your content mix and mention your timely hook. Request posts under 150 words with calls to action and hashtags. 1 prompt, 7 posts, done in minutes. You'll edit a few to sound like you. That's the time savings. Be honest, ChatGPT doesn't know your business or voice. You provide context through your prompt, and you'll catch things that feel off. A 5-minute review catches these moments. For images, text-only posts underperform. 2 fast options. Use your own photos with Canva's free tier and AI design feature to get something post-ready in under a minute. Or use Adobe Firefly, free in Adobe Express, to generate images from descriptions. Fair warning, AI still produces weird results with food, hands, and people. Always check before posting. Budget 15 to 20 minutes for 7 images. Consistent and clear beats polished, but sporadic. Once ready, use a scheduling tool. Don't post manually daily. Buffer is simplest, free for 3 channels, 10 posts. Later offers visual calendars. Copy-paste from ChatGPT, attach images, pick times. Takes 15 minutes for 7 posts. Before going live, do 1 5-minute final read-through. Read posts aloud. Do they sound like you? Check facts. AI invents details confidently. Does the image match the copy? Add 1 personal detail AI couldn't know. That builds real followings. Bottom line, 1 hour, 1 prompt, a few images, a scheduling tool, you're done. Posts won't be perfect, but showing up consistently, imperfectly, matters more than the perfect post you never wrote.